issued an immediate evacuation for Alameda, CA, beginning at 3:27 p.m. and ending at 4:27 p.m. This is an AC alert from the Alameda County Fire Department. Residents should evacuate due to fire. 1. Station President, due to a rapidly approaching wildfire, the Alameda County Fire Department and Wildfire have ordered the immediate mandatory evacuation of residents in the Kill Road area of Juneau, as well as the Golden Eagle Estates in Pleasanton. Kill residents should evacuate south on Kill to Niles Canyon Road. Residents at Golden Eagle Estates should evacuate to Footman Road and Hamill. Kill residents should evacuate south on Kill to Niles Canyon Road. Residents at Golden Eagle Estates should evacuate to Footman Road and head north.
All right.
Portion of Alameda County due to rapidly approaching fire at Kill Road in Sonora and Golden Eagle Estates in Pleasanton. The Fire Department and CAL FIRE have ordered the immediate mandatory evacuation of residents in the Kill Road area of Sonora, as well as the Golden Eagle Estates in Pleasanton. Kill residents should evacuate south of Kill to Niles Canyon Road. Residents of Golden Eagle's Estate should evacuate to Foothill Road and head north. Kill residents should evacuate south on Kill to Niles Canyon Road. Residents of Golden Eagle Estates should evacuate to Foothill Road and head north.
This concludes the activation of the emergency alert system.
I need sloppy noises.
Hi, I'm Kim Beck.
Bro, why do you